For over 80 years, from primer to color to clear coat, Wanda is the smart refinish solution, offering one of the best values for the money. It delivers performance in a compact and easy-to-use complete package, suitable for both small repairs and total resprays, while offering great color match capabilities. The Wanda National Rural Market portfolio features a compact line of products designed to complete everyday repairs economically while providing maximum color accessibility through minimal inventory. This simple and easy-to-use system is designed for technicians of all experience levels and may be used in non-regulated markets across North America. Join me as we take a closer look at Wanda and review the product assortment from top to bottom. Automotive painting is 90% preparation and 10% application, and there's no better way to start a trouble-free finish than with AkzoNobel AutoPrep UltraPrep Surface Cleaner. AutoPrep UltraPrep Surface Cleaner is a water-based surface cleaner formulated to remove water-soluble contaminants from work surfaces. Its zero VOC formula wipes off easily, dries fast, and leaves no residue behind, providing a great start to a flawless finish. After a work surface has been cleaned of water-soluble contaminants, it's time to consider other sources of contamination such as tars, greases, and oils that require a solvent-borne surface cleaner. Wanda Clean Degreaser is non-aggressive to most substrates and removes contaminants quickly and efficiently, staying wet long enough to remove contaminants while easily wiping off without leaving telltale wipe marks behind. Once a surface is free and clear of contamination, the exposed bare metal surface needs to be properly treated prior to primer application. AkzoNobel AutoPrep pre-treatment wipes provide a cost-effective, environmentally friendly, zero VOC way to quickly and easily create chemical bonds, enhancing adhesion and corrosion resistance while minimizing unnecessary waste and downtime spent cleaning the spray gun. Each wipe covers an average surface area of 16 square feet, and partially used wipes may be stored in plastic containers between uses. For larger surfaces, complete restoration, or motorcycle application, Wanda 7000 Epoxy Primer has you covered. It features direct-to-metal application, excellent holdout, and a smooth final appearance, with a 72-hour non-sanding recoat window. 7000 Epoxy Primer may also be applied over or under most body fillers and offers a fantastic value at a very competitive price point. Many of the raw plastics found on today's vehicles require a specialized primer that provides adhesion and flexibility. Wanda Primer for Plastics completes both tasks all in one fast-drying single-component package that is economical to use and minimizes waste. Simply pour the unused portion back into the can and cap it off until the next time it is needed. After the surface has been properly cleaned and prepared, attention can be turned to repairing any dent, ding, chip, or scratch. Wanda 8100 2K Primer Surfacer is a fast-curing, economical primer that builds quickly and sands smoothly. 8100 2K Primer Surfacer shares common hardeners with most of our National Rule line and performs equally well as a standard or high-build primer surfacer with a simple mixing ratio change. Once the surface is cleaned, prepped, repaired, and final sanded, a primer sealer must be applied prior to the first coat of color in order to help ensure even color coverage and prevent solvent permeation into Wanda undercoats. When mixed at a 4:1 ratio, Wanda 3100 Sealer provides a wet-on-wet sealer that lays down smooth, providing speed, great gloss retention, and color holdout all in a one-coat application. For additional time savings when removing and replacing parts with factory e-coat panels, simply scuff, seal, and apply top coat after only 20 minutes. After the work surface is sealed, it's time to start applying the base coat. Wandabase HS is a fast-drying, easy-to-apply, solvent-borne base coat system featuring exceptional metallic control that makes any blend or fade-out a breeze. Wandabase HS combines easy-to-control metallics with superior holdout and coverage, providing a durable base coat with unrivaled color match. Adding the AkzoNobel Global Color range offers instant access to the world's most common colors, all in one simple package. As a more affordable alternative on solid colors, Wanda PU 2K HS provides a fast-drying, easy-to-apply single-stage system featuring exceptional coverage, gloss, and durability all in one layer. The single-stage top coat is great for fleet applications and provides accurate color matches for most of today's solid automotive colors. For added flexibility, mix any PU 2K HS toner straight off the machine at a 4:1 to 10% mixing ratio and spray. After the base coat has flashed, it's time to apply a protective clear coat to keep the Wanda base color looking good. Wanda offers 3 distinct user-friendly clear coats, providing you with multiple refinish options for most project budgets and performance needs. Wanda 8000 Universal Clear allows you to push the performance envelope, enabling the completion of larger jobs in higher temperatures, all while using the same set of universal hardeners at a 4:1 mixing ratio. 8000 Universal Clear is very easy to apply, lays down smooth, and provides an economical high-gloss finish. Wanda 8100 2K Clear is a very fast-setting clear coat that provides great sag resistance, helping refinishers to apply the clear the way they want it to look. It helps save time and money on medium to large jobs with little to no flash time needed between coats. Simply spray the first coat on the side of a car, immediately apply the second coat, and bake for as little as 30 minutes. 8100 2K Clear uses a universal set of hardeners at a 4:1 mixing ratio, providing an extremely glossy finish that will last for years to come. Wanda 8200 Spot and Panel Clear is designed specifically for spot, panel, and multi-panel refinishing. When a vehicle needs to be in and out quickly, the super speed of 8200 Spot and Panel Clear, combined with the competitive pricing, helps improve both process and profits while providing the ability to deliver the vehicle the same day. 8200 Spot and Panel Clear uses a dedicated hardener designed to deliver fast results in both air dry and bake environments, allowing time and money savings on small to medium jobs with little to no flash time needed between coats. Accessing the right color quickly and easily is critical to a shop's productivity and bottom line. Wanda Color Pro Advanced Online Color System works across multiple platforms, helping to provide a simple and intuitive way to search, retrieve, and mix color formulas. Its global database connects a shop to thousands of new to late model solid, metallic, and 3-stage colors. It is linked to the AkzoNobel Color Scala Selector cabinet, offering a quick and easy way to visually verify color. If still having a hard time identifying that color, add the Automagic Vision camera to Color Pro and Color Scala Selector to deliver a market-leading color solution that brings tinting color capabilities in a digital environment. Color Scala Selector helps speed up your color searches thanks to a unique color documentation system based on color-centric sorting. This means the colors are presented in an order and structure that makes sense to the human eye. The swatches are organized into various color groups, from red to violet, white to black, and light to dark. There are more than 7,700 color chips representing market-relevant colors and contain further information leading to more than 30,000 colors and variants in total. Collision repairers can rest assured that Wanda, an AkzoNobel brand, is backed by our assurance and commitment to quality. Wanda products are designed and manufactured to perform with the same uncompromising quality that makes AkzoNobel brands the international standard for vehicle refinish. To learn more, visit wandarefinish.us.